Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to give access on Google Drive. So guys, at first go to your Google Drive. And guys, let me tell you something that there are two ways to share. The first way is you can share with email ID, and that is at first choose the file you want to share and press on it. Now tap on the three dot icon. Tap on share. And here you have to enter the email ID of the person you want to share with and then send it. And the second way is you can share the file with link. So now go back, again press on the file and tap on the three dots icon. Now tap on manage access. And now tap on the restricted change. Now tap on the arrow beside restricted and select anyone with the link. Now go back and copy the link, and now you can paste it and send it to any person you want to share your file with. So guys, that's it, and that's how you can give access on Google Drive very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.